Welcome back. We're here to explore the wireless Apple CarPlay in the 2022 Wagoneer here at Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Jones Junction. My name's Rich. Let's dive in. So we're in the interior now of the 2022 Wagoneer. To do the wireless Apple CarPlay, it's real simple. You just go to Apps, touch Device Manager, Add Device, search for Bluetooth devices, and at the same time you're going to go to your iPhone and you're going to go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and once it finds it, you just tap on it, you confirm the PIN, you pair, allow the sync, hit OK that you want to use Apple CarPlay on your phone as well as the screen, and in no time Apple CarPlay appears. Now we're set up wirelessly, no cords, and in addition, the next time you come in, it'll sync automatically, and you also have a wireless charging pad. Okay, that's an overview of the wireless Apple CarPlay and the 2022 Wagoneer. My name's Rich. Come on in for a test drive.